there guys, I'm back again, like with my face, with my zits and all, I'm back. Hi, how are you guys? Haven't seen you in quite a long time, I guess. But finally, my face is back on YouTube. Hi everybody. Today we're going to unbox this beauty of a box. This little particular box is the Goodiebox, and how many times can I say box? But this particular box has been sitting here for about, I want to say 2 days. I think today is like the 3rd day, so it's time to film it. Okay, so let's just open it up straight away and throw the box on my table. Okay, anyway, in here we got a little booklet which says, me, myself, and I fully relate to that. Okay, we got some really pretty, like nude colored paper, but it's like really pretty. It actually kind of, well, not completely, but it like kind of matches my aesthetic today. Okay, this is, come on over there so we can actually see. Oh, I see something really cool in here. Okay. This is, come on, the inside of this month's box. I'm sorry, I had to switch and move things because y'all wouldn't be able to see anything. Okay guys, I see something so freaking cool in this box. Like, I cannot believe it's in here, which is this small of a sucker. And I actually already own this, but I'm not gonna give it away. Sorry, not sorry. This is not a full size, but it is from Benefit. Like, why is it not focusing? Come on, focus on the mascara, not on my, there we go. See, it's a mascara from Benefit. I love this sucker. Like I said, I already own it. I'm not gonna give it away because it's a mini and I own a mini as well. So I'm gonna keep this as backup. So, it's over here. It's from Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. And the worth in the store is 28 euros for full size, clearly, which is 8.5 grams, and this is 4 grams. So this is pretty much half, a little less than half. Okay, moving on to something in a box from Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Nourishing Hand Cream. Okay, this is what that fella looks like, and I actually have a hell of a lot of back creams, hand creams in backup already. So I'm gonna give this one to my mom. I will open it up and hopefully not ruin the box because I'm actually going to go to my mom after this, so I want to give it to her. It's vegan friendly as well, so which is always great. Yeah, it looks like this pretty big, decent size tube. I really do enjoy this, but like I said, I have a lot of hand creams already. It is a beautiful box, but I need to finish up the things that I have, so I'm going to pass this along to my mom. So it's a full size. It's from Dr. Botanicals, like I said, Moroccan Rose Nourishing Hand Cream, and the worth is 30 euros for a hand cream? Come on. I'm sorry, I don't believe it one bit. Like, this cream better do some miracles for my mom's hands, because 30 bucks is a lot of money for a cream. Okay, let's move on to, oh, there's actually 2 things in a satchel. This is from Decure. Remember, we received a serum from Decure like a couple of boxes ago, but I can't remember, was that actually the Goodiebox or was it a different box? I can't remember. I used that serum up though, and it was not the best. I'm not gonna lie, it was really expensive, but it didn't really do much for my face. So it is the #1, I'll be the judge of that. The #1 lightweight day cream. Okay, so we received the serum and this is the day cream. So it doesn't come in a box, it comes in this like satchel thing. So let's open the satchel up. It's small. Again, it's basically the same tube that we received the serum. So I think they have the same aesthetic throughout their lines. This is what it looks like. And I'm actually working on a different day cream right now, so I'm going to keep this one as a backup. Okay, so let's check out the booklet. It's from Decure, like I said, #1, day 1. Number day 1? Isn't it supposed to be like #1 day whatever? Lightweight day cream. So the store worth of this is 85 euros. It's ridiculous. But 85 euros for 50 milliliters, and this is 10 milliliters, so this is 1/5. Wow, I have to do math, it's been a long time. So this is about 17 bucks, I want to say, right? 10 times 5 is 50. So it's definitely more than 10 bucks for this fella. And we still have 35, 35. Yeah, that would be 7, right? So this little fella is worth 17 bucks. Very excited to try it out, but like I said, with the serum, wasn't really anything special. To be 85 bucks, like, damn. Okay, moving on to a different satchel. Oh no! Damn it. Okay, glove. Moon pads, reusable makeup remover pads. This is a 2-pack. Hey, wait a minute. We received a 3-pack in the StyleTone box. I think it was a StyleTone box. I tried them out and I gave them away. I still just prefer my regular cleanser. So yeah, it's a full size, it says over here. I don't buy it because we received 3 pads in the StyleTone box, and StyleTone usually always has full-size items, so I don't believe for a second this is a full size when there's only 2 pads in here, when in the StyleTone box the exact same thing had 3 pads, unless those were different, but they're literally the exact same. Okay. Store worth is €6.90, and you guys will be seeing this in a giveaway somewhere. Okay, we're down to the last item, and the box is empty. I know what you guys are going to say, there's something in there, but that's just where the 85 ridiculous euros was in. Okay, so this is from Naube. It's natural and organic origin. It's a recovery mask. Ooh, I love masks. Okay, this is rice and tiger nuts organic oils, malt barley's active? Not really sure what that means. Have to read the booklet. But this is what that little sucker looks like. And y'all know I love masks. Like, I have 1,000,001 in backup. I love them. So let's just check out the booklet and see. Yeah, now wait, it's a full size. The recovery mask costs €23.95. Okay guys, and that was it. That was the first goodie box of the year. What do I think? Honestly, it was an okay box. It was a solid, good box. The moon pads we already received in the StyleTone box, but then again, I have a subscription with 4 different boxes. Usually, people only have 1. So, you know, just for me, it's like double and whatever. But yeah, it was really, really nice. I mean, just the mascara alone is pretty much the worth of the box. Of course, this is a sample size, okay, but you get more products. But the mascara is wonderful. I'm so glad that this particular box has brands like Benefit. Like, usually only the Look Fantastic box has like really big brands like MAC. Well, at least I think they used to have MAC in the past, or am I confusing it with something else? I know they have Glam Glow, they have Rituals as well. You know, they have pretty big brands in there, and usually, okay, it is sample size, but it's awesome, and I absolutely love the fact that the Goodie Box is aiming for that same thing, to have bigger brands instead of these, like, okay, they have Naube, but for just, you know, to make an example, Dutch boxes only have like these kinds of products. They never have a Glam Glow or a Benefit for that matter, or I don't know, Too Faced or Tarte or something of these bigger brands. They never ever have that in their boxes. Rituals is pretty much the only, and I don't even think that's that big of a brand, but still, it's like one of the bigger brands here in Holland that's quite hot. But they never have, like, you know, like I said, Benefit or whatever in their boxes. So I'm really, really glad that the Goodie Box is aiming for that. I really enjoyed this box. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Finally, my face is back. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.